Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you do not know me, I am Taisha Renee. Here we do everything beauty content, hair, nails, lashes, skincare, girl talk, anything like that. You're in the right place. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do that right now. So today I'm going to show you guys how I do my lash extensions at home. I just got sent this package of lashes anyway, but they're so cute. Did collaborations with this company a few times. But this is Crystal Lashes. I was really ready to do my lashes because I just been lash depressed, hair depressed. They have 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and it goes up to 18. They also sent me remover and glue. I also give you these tweezers to make sure you know what you're doing. Doing your lashes at home is actually really easy and it saves you money. I mean, I go get my lashes done every blue moon, mainly like if I'm going on a trip. In general, like on an everyday basis, I do my own lashes. Like, I'm gonna just take these off. Only reason I had these on is because I had to do my wig content. We ball, baby. So I'm gonna go make sure my lashes are clean and then I'll be right back. The first thing you need to do is to decide what lengths you want to do. I don't know what length I want to do, y'all.
1 hour later.
I think I'm gonna do the cat eye like I said. Amen, grandma. Amen, grandma. I never really know what I'm gonna do until I put them on. First things first is lash bond. It's so easy, y'all. You just brush it. You just brush it on like mascara. How easy is that, y'all? Just brush it on just like mascara. I don't do both eyes at one time. I do one eye at a time because I don't want it to dry and then I'm not able to. I might change my mind as far as like how I want them done. After applying your coat of lash bond, your lash bond is so that your lashes can last. And me personally, I have always kept mine on for longer than a week. I will always have to take them off myself. Start off with 18 on my ends and take it by the tip. And if you have like a hand mirror, that would be great. I have one and you can look closely at your lash line. That is so simple. It don't get no easier than that, but I'm gonna still show y'all though. So 18 for the ends, and since I'm doing cat eye, I need to go real short real quick. Closer so y'all can see how the 18 is looking by itself. So since I just went in with a 18, I'm gonna drastically go down to like a 14. Ooh, that's looking cute already, y'all. So then I'm gonna go in with another 14. When you are applying, you want to, the bond is sticking, so literally all you do is just stick it underneath your lash. Okay, now I'm gonna go drastically down again. So I just did 18, 14, 14. I'm gonna go in with the 12 because that's next after the 14. And the 12 is looking so cute. Since that was a 12, I'm gonna go in with the 10. And then for the last one, I think I'm gonna do an 8. And for the lash, y'all, I'm gonna do the last lash. I'm gonna do an 8, and look at how tiny that is. That is so tiny, you can barely see it. Which it gives the effect that I'm looking for. Okay, and now that I put the 8 on, this is my cat eye, and that took less than what, 5 minutes? Just something natural, quick and easy for you guys. And now that I got my lashes the way that I want them to be, I'm going to go in with the lash seal. This is so that your bond and everything is sealed, and that your lashes are sealed and that they aren't coming off all over the place. Okay, for your lash seal, it is just clear, and you just go on the bottom of your lash, and I promise you, these lashes will last you a week. A few days after that, like a week and 3 days, a week and a half. You want to go where your lash band is and go upwards And that's it. Your lash is our first lash is sealed. It's sealed and I look so cute. Okay, so now we're gonna go to the next one. And did y'all remember the lash map? Did y'all write it down? Okay, so since y'all already know all the basic steps to do your lashes at home, your next eye should be a breeze. Brush, apply, seal. It's 3 easy steps and you're good to go. Alright, doing my lashes at home allowed me to save money. We're gonna start off with our 18. Now I'm just really excited to be doing my lashes because I've been looking homeless. $14. With a few lash brands, and I really like Chris Lashes. I like Chris Lashes and QL lashes also. I think I'm pronouncing their name wrong, but I collaborated with them and I love their lashes also. These lashes are what they say, 10/10, definitely recommend. I don't talk like that, y'all, I'm just kidding. But and I love me a good lash set, but when you can just do them at home, sometimes it's just better to just save money, as you should be doing anyway. Okay, and then now that both eyes are done, when you finish your lashes, you want to always make sure that you put lash seal on. This is so that your lashes can last longer. This is how I do my lashes at home, and I hope that this helps you guys. I just expressed this on my Instagram. I was like, I just want my social media, just my platform in general, I want to be more personal without giving away too much personal. I like doing tutorials, I like getting ready, that's just me, and I always like doing it, so why not just document and show you guys how I do it. And this is how I do my lashes at home. I'm pretty sure this is going to help someone because this is easy and affordable, time friendly. This is time friendly, y'all. I did my lashes in less than what, 20 minutes? Has it even been 20 minutes? It's crazy, and especially like getting PR packages and collaborations with, it's just crazy, y'all. It's just really crazy, and I'm just very, very grateful, and I'm being very humble about it. This completes the video. This is how I do my DIY lashes at home. Still get your lashes done for special occasions. I'm talking about when you just want everyday type thing, like if you're a girly who gets her lashes done all the time and you're tired of spending money, then get lashes from Amazon or from companies that sell lash extensions and do them at home until you are able to get to your lash tech. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed doing it. I was ready to do my lashes because I was looking crazy, like I told y'all. What it is with girls, like, why do we get so upset, like our lashes not done, our hair is not done, like we be in a deep depression for real, like for real. Thank you guys for tuning into my video. It really means a lot to me, and this is the final look of my lashes. I just want to show y'all one more time. This is Chris Lashes. I'll have it down below in my description if y'all want to check it out, and all the lashes that I use, because I have used other brands, so I'll put them as well. But this is a final look. Thank you guys for tuning into my video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Share this video with a friend, because I'm pretty sure y'all got a friend who need to be saving money on some lashes or anything. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. After a while, bye besties.